Today I'll be showing you how to make a very easy spaghetti recipe that is very easy, delicious, and trust me, you'll be making this recipe every single time you're making spaghetti. Over here I have a few ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box, and the key ingredient in this recipe is spaghetti. To get started, you're going to place a pot enough to cook your spaghetti, add cold water, and over high flame you're going to let the water come to a boil. As the water is coming to a boil, I'm going to tell you about my spaghetti. So I have 300 grams of spaghetti. You can use spaghetti or pasta, whatever you have for this recipe. So I'll check on my water and it has come to a boil. I'm going to add in some salt. Place in my spaghetti. Give the spaghetti about 30 seconds to soak up the water. Next, I'm going to use my tongue and submerge the spaghetti in the hot water. Whenever you're boiling spaghetti or pasta, always add some salt to season the pasta or spaghetti. So I'm going to cook mine until al dente. That is going to be around 4 to 5 minutes. After 1 minute, you're going to use your tongs or a fork and separate the spaghetti as they're cooking. This step is very important because you don't want the spaghetti to cook when stuck together. Also, while boiling pasta or spaghetti, don't add cooking oil because you're going to drain the water. So there's no need for cooking oil. At this point, I'm going to place a pan over medium flame and next add a teaspoon of cooking oil. Check on my spaghetti. I'll give the spaghetti about a minute. Add in some margarine or butter into the pan. Let the margarine or butter melt. Next, I'm going to add in my coriander. And as the coriander is cooking, I'm going to check on my spaghetti and give the spaghetti a pinch, and once the spaghetti snaps, it's al dente. So now I'm going to transfer the spaghetti into the cooking pan together with the coriander. Then next I'm going to use my tongs and coat the spaghetti with the coriander. And let me tell you, this is smelling so awesome. Make sure the spaghetti is fully coated with the coriander. I also love adding in some black pepper to my spaghetti. Toss around. Give the spaghetti about a minute to cook together with the coriander and the black pepper. And once ready, you're going to turn out the flames. Serve. Instead of having some boring plain spaghetti or pasta, try out adding some butter and coriander to your pasta and you're surely going to enjoy. So the spaghetti has turned out so good. I love the flavor from the coriander and the buttery taste. And trust me, if you try out this recipe, you're surely going to enjoy.